What do you need to know about an inheritance process in Murcia and Alicante regions? In Murcia and Alicante regions, an inheritance process might be much more cheaper than you think, provided you follow the correct steps and comply with all the requirements. An inheritance process can be settled fairly quickly or takes a few months. Depends if there is a will of the person deceased, on the wishes of the beneficiaries, and on the documents available. If there is a property involved or land, we must sign everything before a notary, so that delays things. Otherwise, if there is none involved, we can do it with a private document, reducing the cost and make the process much faster. The documents that are usually required are the death certificate, copy of the will if there is one available, property deeds, documents of the beneficiaries, and another certificates or car paperwork if there is any vehicles involved. Taxes, deadlines, who pays, and allowances. The deadline to pay an inheritance tax is 6 months, but an extension can be requested within the first 5 months. There are tax advantages on both Murcia and Alicante region. For example, a 99% reduction on the percentage to be paid, a 95% reduction on the main residency, plus some exemption reduction depending on the value of the assets. The relationship with the deceased is key in order to enjoy these tax advantages. The more direct it is, the greater the tax advantage. Tips and common mistakes. When preparing an inheritance, it's important to have everything documented: paperwork, property deeds, charges, expenses, everything. We can use it to offset or reduce the tax liability. Submit the tax declaration on time, even if you don't have to pay taxes, but it's important to apply to enjoy these tax advantages. Check which comunidad autónoma is processing the inheritance, because depending if it's one or the other, the tax advantages might be different. Ask a solicitor specialized in inheritance matters to make sure you provide all the correct paperwork and avoid any mistakes. If you need help, you can contact us through our website or through social networks.